Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Outlook. Notion serves as a flexible workspace for notes, tasks, and project management, offering extensive customization. Outlook, conversely, is primarily an email client, excelling in communication, calendaring, and contact organization. We will delve into their distinct functionalities, helping you understand which tool best suits your specific needs, whether for individual productivity or team collaboration. Our goal is to highlight their core differences and ideal applications. Notion shines with its incredible flexibility and customization. It's a true all-in-one workspace where you can build databases, wikis, and documents tailored precisely to your workflow. With support for over 50 different content block types, from simple text to embedded files, you can create interconnected pages for complex project tracking and comprehensive knowledge bases. This adaptability makes it perfect for managing diverse information and collaborative projects. Outlook, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for communication and organization, especially within the Microsoft ecosystem. It provides robust email management, allowing you to handle hundreds of messages daily, alongside powerful scheduling and contact organization features. Its calendar is exceptional for easy meeting scheduling and checking shared availability. Seamless integration with other Microsoft Office applications, like Word and Excel further, enhances its utility for many professionals. Ultimately, the better tool depends entirely on your primary needs. Choose Notion if you require comprehensive project management, flexible note-taking, and dynamic team collaboration, especially for building custom workflows. Opt for Outlook if your main focus is efficient email, reliable calendaring, and streamlined contact management, particularly if you're deeply integrated into the Microsoft suite. Many professionals find significant value in leveraging both tools for different aspects of their work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.